This weather, it's coming in, baby. Wow. We're expecting storms. Gee, look at that. He's not home yet. But look at the clouds, guys. Woo-hoo! Look at that down there. Weird weather. Wow, look at this, guys. It's going bloody ballistic. Woohoo! Raining now. All my plants are getting watered. Mother. I'm going inside, too wet. I was getting wet. Listen to it. It's going psycho. Look at the road down there. It's getting gushed on and everything. They reckon it was going to be a dry storm, yeah. What a load of crock. It's pissing out there. Wow. I'm back outside. Gee, look at that. Oh God, look at the road. The rain has come again. The rain has come again. Hey, my car's getting the wash. I'm scared of rain. Go. Look at that. Look at that. It's doing it again. It's all over the shot. Listen to that. The rain has come again. Ah! Whoa! That came out of nowhere. Shit, that scared the crap out of me. That scared the freaking crap out of me. Wow, it's right above us. Right above us, guys. It's all that's carrying on. Man, that scared me earlier. That was so funny. I just didn't expect it. It gave me a good fright. That literally shook the place. That thunder earlier when I went, let's get, ooh. Thank. Heck yeah, baby. I love this. Perfect shot. Certainly right above us. All that black stuff is what's carrying on like a pork chop above us. All that black stuff. That's what's all that loud banging up there. It's right on us. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. Fuck! Shit! It's going crazy! That's good though, I'm getting good shots of that. I'm getting really good shots. Please subscribe and give it up for Mother Nature, guys. And the power of the Holy God. He's certainly showing his power. So subscribe, please. I want 1,000 subs, please. Woo! Oh, look at that. Gee, look at that. Wow. Not sure if that's more coming or still part of this one. Wow. It's all down here now. All that. All that lot's coming. Good God. Pretty windy.